Hi there guys, in this video I will show you why there is appear Spotify blend not working. We're seeing posts that exciting blend playlists can be accessed anymore, and talk files are also unable to accept new blend invitations. Reports also mention that the application just go back to the home page or gets a login screen after clicking on the invite button. This is happening on both iOS and Android devices. Firstly, you need to go on your settings on your phone and then look for apps. Now you need to go on manage apps, and here on the search box you need to type for Spotify. Click on Spotify, and then here you have many options, but go on clear defaults and it says no default set. Now on your right side, as you can see, you have clear data. Click on it. Just click on the second selection that says clear cache. Go OK. Now guys, with that we have resolved this problem. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.